we have, as per 12th standard, we would be having one short composition which will be of 5 marks. That would be notice writing, or you will be having the choice of invitation and replies. On the other hand, second question will be a letter. Again, it is a 5 marker question which we have already done. That is a letter which can be based on any suggestions, letter to the editors, and application cum biodata. The third one will be an article or a descriptive writing, which will be report writing. So I have already introduced to the notice writing section. We have done some questions pertaining to editorial letters. Some questions we have already discussed with application cum biodata. In article writing, definitely we have not done a number of questions, but yes, we have understood what is the concept about. Now, today I'm starting with report writing. And students, one thing remember, रिपोर्ट राइटिंग जो है इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ, इफ यू आर, कभी आपको आगे लगता है दैट यू वांट टू बिकम अ जर्नलिस्ट, यू वांट टू गो समथिंग रिलेटेड टू मीडिया, वहां पर आपका रिपोर्ट राइटिंग आता है, मतलब इन द रियल सेंस, मतलब वेयर डू वी यूज दीज रिपोर्ट्स, दिस कम्स देयर इन द रियल सेंस. Report writing is something which is a narration, or you can say a description of any event that has already taken place. कोई भी एक इवेंट जो है, जो हो चुका है, उसको हम नरेट करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रिपोर्ट राइटिंग. नाउ द रिपोर्ट राइटिंग कैन बी, one is a magazine report and the second one is the newspaper report. In the question, normally it is clearly given whether it is a magazine report or a newspaper report. The format is changed. मतलब there is a slight change in the basic format, not in the content. Content में change नहीं रहता है, लेकिन आपका जो format जाता है newspaper का थोड़ा अलग होता है और magazine का अलग होता है. So this you have to always see when you are writing your report. तो question को आप पढ़ोगे. In the question it is written, write a report for your school magazine, write a report as a reporter of Times of India, write a report in about 100 to 120 words. So that would be given clearly in your question. The content isn't different, but the format is different. In another word, रिपोर्ट राइटिंग का मतलब होता कोई भी इवेंट. नाउ व्हेन आई सेड इवेंट, दिस इवेंट कैन बी अ फॉर्चुनेट एंड और एन अनफॉर्चुनेट इवेंट. ये आप लोगों ने अब कान खोल कर सुनना है. दिस इवेंट कैन बी अ फॉर्चुनेट और एन अनफॉर्चुनेट इवेंट. मीन्स देयर कैन बी a report on the inauguration of a new branch of a company. On the other hand, there can be a report on a train accident. Believe me, यही वाला जो आपका होता है ना, यहाँ पर बच्चों को थोड़ा सा confusion होता है. But I have seen one thing, जब बच्चों को मैं मतलब कि when I give them the option, most of the time the students perform report writing rather than article. And it's a 10 marker question. This will be coming as a 10 marker question. जो आपका आर्टिकल और रिपोर्ट है वो सबसे लॉन्ग कंपोजिशन में आता है. So this is under the long composition, so your marks are also more. In the magazine, normally we don't have the untoward incidents. We only have the incidents, the events related to schools. हमारा जो स्कूल से रिलेटेड है वैसे आपके जो मतलब कि इवेंट्स होते हैं वही होते हैं. Most of the time the school, it is you write the report for the school magazine only. As the student editor of HP Public School, write a report on, so it is related to the schools. स्कूल के अंदर आपके जो है कंपटीशन हुआ, स्कूल के अंदर कोई वैक्सीनेशन ड्राइव हुआ, स्कूल के अंदर कोई एग्जीबिशन हुआ, those all are covered under the magazine report. Whereas in the newspaper you would be having all kinds of reports. Means you will be having the accidents also, you will be having the जो ये स्कूल वाला है, your school had organized an inter-school debate competition, write a report for the newspaper. तो न्यूज़पेपर में हमारे जो है all the kinds of reports are included, whereas in the schools the untoward incidents are not included, only the events which take place in our school, that is recorded. Third is report writing is written in past tense. As in the very beginning I have told you that report writing आपका होता है about the narration of the incidents that have taken place. तो natural है कि वो हो चुका है, तो they are past, so it is written in the past tenses. Tense का you all need to keep the, for the tense if you want to add present perfect tense हम use कर सकते हैं, but normally it is completely written in the past tense. This is the next. A good report always have passive voice. A good report always have passive voice. Now, what is passive voice? As a class 12 student, I know you all know what is passive voice. You can also look into my video which I have recently uploaded on active passive. आपने देखा होगा while you are watching the TV, तो कैसे बोलते हैं, ये है वो खतरनाक मंजर जहां 4 लोगों की मौत हुई थी. So they speak up in this tone. Now in the very first it is written a speeding bus killed 4 persons. ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको पढ़ने के बाद हमें दुख नहीं होता, but definitely a speeding bus, okay, बस स्पीडिंग थी, 4 लोग मर गए. 4 persons were killed by a speeding person. जैसे ही न्यूज में ऐसा बोलते हैं तो हमारा खून खौलने लग जाता है, 4 लोग मर गए. So when we are using the passive form in report writing, that focuses on the main ideas. आपने देखा होगा आज तक वगैरह इसका सबसे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल होता है। आज तो आप लोग सब यू आर ऑन द वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म, अदरवाइज व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू टीच दिस डायरेक्टली, तो मुझे याद है मेरे बच्चों की आंखों में बड़ी चमक होती थी, दे यूज्ड टू स्माइल। यस मैम, हमें याद है हम लोग जब टीवी देखते हैं तो इन द टीवी व्हेन यू आर वाचिंग यू माइट हैव सीन इफ अ पर्सन, अगर आपके पास न्यूज में आता है और वो कहते हैं कि स्पीडिंग बस किल्ड 4 पर्सन, आप सुनते हो, but when this emphasizes there are 4 persons, so that gives more emphasis कि 4 इंसानों की मौत हुई। So that is why report writing is often used in the passive form. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम एक्टिव में नहीं लिखते हैं, but generally it is we try to use the passive form of. So these are the key points. We use a very rich vocabulary. Now, what is the meaning of a very rich vocabulary? While you are framing the report, you will see that we don't use simple words. हम simple words use नहीं करते हैं. Like, if we want to say, अगर मुझे ये बोलना है that पुलिस जो है उसने रजिस्टर कर लिया है कंप्लेंट को, तो हम जो वर्ड यूज करते हैं वो होता है an FIR has been lodged and the police is probing into the issue. इन्वेस्टिगेशन को हमने वर्ड प्रोब दे देते हैं. That is the vocabulary we are normally using while writing the report. Don't worry, no one becomes master in one day. Don't think कि हम लोग मास्टर शेफ के अंदर एंटर हो गए हैं, अब तो हमारा एलिमिनेशन राउंड है, तो डोंट थिंक इन दैट वे. विथ ओवर द पीरियड अगर आप इफ यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग इट, यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट इनटू 4-5 ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो आपको यूज करना होता है. आप इफ यू आर रीडिंग द न्यूज़पेपर्स, इफ यू आर वेल वर्स्ड विद द न्यूज़पेपर्स, स्पेसिफिकली आई वुड से हिंदू जो है वो एक अच्छे न्यूज़पेपर है, and then Times of India is okay. If you read the newspaper, you will find how the report is written. Right? Just 1 second. I'm sharing one news which is of today, and this is only how we write a report. So if you open the newspaper, you will find that how we normally write a report. For example, it is written in the report, अगर आपके जो न्यूज़पेपर है उसके अंदर लिखा हुआ है that acquitted in 85. acquitted in 85, उसको मतलब कि क्या किया गया. तो now you might not be knowing what is the exact meaning of acquitted or convicted, है ना. This is a report. To write a good report, I always suggest my students to go for the newspapers. If you read the newspapers, you will find a number of words which you may you may use in your own way also. Like ये क्वेश्चन है, जहांगीरपुरी riots part of anti-CA protest corps. अब यहाँ नीचे लिखा हुआ है, Delhi police has claimed in a charge sheet filed on Thursday that Jahangirpuri riots were not organized or a sudden flare up, but it was organized in continuation to the protest against the CAA. तो फ्रॉम द इन्वेस्टिगेशन, मतलब मैं यहाँ पर आपको वो वर्ड समझाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. फ्रॉम द इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंडक्टेड सो फार and materials on record, it is established तो जो हम ये वर्ड्स हम यूज़ करते हैं, लाइक इफ़ यू लुक, तो ये जो वर्ड्स होते हैं, चार्जशीट, इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड, द मतलब कि द पुलिस क्लेम, तो हम ऐसे जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो यूज़ करते हैं while we are framing our reports. Now it's not necessary that the report will always be like for any riot only, but yes, this kinds of reports are very common. Accidents हो गए, कोई भी mishap हो गया, these are very common for the newspaper. Yes, while we are writing for the magazine, we don't use these words. We use a simple formula, that is हमारा जो है WH family जो है, that is the answer to our report. Many times the students tell me, ma'am, we are not able to frame the हम लोग रिपोर्ट को लिख नहीं पा रहे. कुछ नहीं करना, आपको दिमाग में रखना है what happened, when it happened, where it happened, who and how. If you are remembering these 5 keywords, your report writing is in your hand. वो आपकी मुट्ठी में है. What happened, when it happened, where it happened, who were involved, how it happened. बस. चाहे मैगजीन का रिपोर्ट हो या it is the report of newspaper, these are the keywords that you need to keep in your mind. So this is what you need to learn. अरे learn का मतलब not ratification, मतलब you should know. When I am starting a report, what I have to write, what happened, accident, okay, what है accident, when it happened, Friday. हमेशा हम न्यूज़पेपर का जो रिपोर्ट होता है वो एक दिन पहले का लिखते हैं, ठीक है. देन वेयर इट हैपेंड, जहां हुआ था. फिर क्या हुआ था, एंड हु वर इन्वॉल्व, व्हाट वाज द पुलिस का क्या था या अथॉरिटी का क्या था, दैट इज हाउ एंड हु मेट. अभी जस्ट राइट नाउ आई हैव गॉट वन न्यूज. Right now I got one news. I'm sharing it with you. You may not be, this is on the mobile. I have received 5 dead, 9 hurt as Godam wall collapses in Delhi. Prime Minister says anguished. ये आपका न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट है. I'll send this on your WhatsApp. Read it. 5 people died. आपको इसी फॉर्मेट में लिखना बच्चा. 5 people died and 9 others sustained injuries after wall collapsed at an under construction Godam in Delhi on Friday. The injured person, जो मैंने आपको बोला, what happened, when it happened, where it happened. The injured person are undergoing treatment at a hospital and 2 of them are said to be in a critical condition. अभी जब हम लोग करेंगे ना, you will find similar words in your reports also. And then what was the, मैंने यहाँ लिखा who and how. तो हमारे authorities क्या कह रहे हैं, my thoughts are with those who have lost their loved one, Prime Minister Modi said. This is as many as 5 people died after a wall collapsed at an under construction Godam in Delhi's Alipur region, police said on Friday. यानी कि कब हुआ, फ्राइडे को हुआ, ठीक है. क्या हुआ, वॉल कोलैप्स हुआ. A total of 9 people are undergoing treatment at Raja Harish Chandra Hospital, of which 2 are in critical and the remaining are stable. Delhi, अब what has happened, आगे क्या हुआ था. Delhi Fire Brigade and police are currently at the spot for rescue operations. This is the word I said ना, vocabulary आपको यूज करना है. हम सेव नहीं लिखेंगे, रेस्क्यू लिखेंगे. Delhi Fire Services Chief Atul Garg said the collapse call was received from Alipur at 12:42 p.m. Following this, a total of 4 fire tenders were rushed to the spot. So this is what we call as a newspaper report. This is called as a newspaper report. हमारा जो मैगजीन रिपोर्ट होता है वो भी ऐसे ही हम लिखते हैं, लेकिन मैगजीन में हमें अनटूवर्ड्स इंसिडेंट्स नहीं लिखने हैं. We will be only including the incidents which the in fact the events which took place in our school. Next is, what is the format of report? ये तो हमारे थे बच्चे की पॉइंट्स. Now what are the formats? This you all need to note down also. Magazine report, it is normally for the school magazine. तो सबसे पहले कैची हेडिंग, बाय लाइन. बाय लाइन मतलब जिसने उस रिपोर्ट को लिखा है, जिसने उस रिपोर्ट को लिखा है, बाय लाइन, the one who has written that one. Then it is simple, it is simple, what happened, when it happened, where it happened, who and how. Normally many students put it in a box. Box is not compulsory. कुछ schools में box में डलवाते हैं, that is only to give it a very एक presentation के लिए, but that is not a compulsory format of boards. तो it depends on you. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप डालो, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं. You can divide it into 2 to 3 paragraphs depending on the length of your. Next is, this is magazine report, right? The next is our न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट. इसमें आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. मीन्स यू नीड टू रिमेंबर, दिमाग नहीं लगाना, रिमेंबर करना पड़ेगा. यू नीड टू हैव अ वेरी कैची हेडलाइंस first. Then the format of writing a newspaper report is by, not underlining, means कौन लिख रहा है. Most of the time it is given, you are the reporter of Times of India. You need to write it in that way. And then in some schools and sometimes हम प्लेस को अलग से ना लिखकर न्यू दिल्ली और यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. क्वेश्चन को बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना, मतलब where that incident has taken place. You are living in Delhi, but maybe that incident has taken place in Lucknow. That incident has taken place in Ludhiana. So you need to understand or read the question properly, क्योंकि इसके मार्क्स कट जाएंगे. It's a part of your format. तो क्वेश्चन में लिखा है that you are the reporter of Times of India पटियाला, और आप नीचे लिख रहे हो न्यू दिल्ली, तो मार्क्स आपके कट गए. सो जस्ट कोरिलेट, आपका जो भी दिया होगा that would be your place. Then बाकी आपका content will be the same, that is what happened, when it happened, where it happened, who, how, बाकी आपका सेम यही रहेगा. The WH family will go. The only thing is the format that you need to revise. In the magazine it is very simple, just like the article name, आपने catchy headline लिख दिया, byline लिख दिया, then you are writing the content. But in the newspaper report you need to write the catchy headline and then by अलग आएगा, then आपका date अलग आएगा, then place आपका start करके you will be starting. So this is the difference between magazine and newspaper report. And in the boards you can expect both of the one. आप ये expect करके नहीं चल सकते हो कि maybe only newspaper reports comes a number of times or it may be only the magazine reports. That is nothing. Sometimes the newspaper reports might be there in one set, it might be only the magazine report in one set, it might be some. तो इसीलिए you have to be prepared for everything. Article and report will be a choice, but never expect anything from CBSE. मतलब from any boards you cannot say कि दोनों आर्टिकल ही आ जाए, दोनों रिपोर्ट्स ही आ जाए, एक मैगजीन और एक आपका न्यूज़पेपर आ जाए. So you should be prepared. So this is what we call as report writing. इनको हम लोग जो है report writing कहते हैं. Please go through the format very carefully. And whatever I have taught you in the very beginning, मैंने जो आपको beginning में सिखाया है, that what is it about, what are the key points, how we write it, what kind of vocabulary we write, then what are the kinds of reports we have. One might be the magazine and second might be, that would be clearly given in your question. Write a report for the magazine or write a report for the newspaper. In the magazine अगर नहीं भी दिया है तो magazine reports are normally only the events that take place in the vicinity, whereas newspaper reports can be an accident, any untoward incident. जैसे आजकल हर जगह पे बारिश हो रही है, तो the incident can be something related to any untoward thing. जैसे यहाँ पे बारिश हो रही है, वहाँ पर ये हो रहा है. देन अभी जो मैंने आपको पढ़ा, मतलब कि आई हैव शेयर दैट न्यूज़, द वॉल कोलैप्स्ड, ये these are all the reports. Right now, very quickly we will be doing a short report of magazine.
Android.
So this is what we call as a report writing. This is one of the very simplest one. Means it is only a simple event took place in your school. That's a plantation drive, which is a common question also. Then what happened? I've not used any, difficult words. What happened, when it happened, where it happened, how it happened. So this is how the format goes on. Then we would be having the questions pertaining to sports day, then annual day, then any exhibition that has taken place in our school, or maybe a celebration, a week, book week, English week, social science week, ये भी हमारे होते हैं. And of course then we have the newspaper reports. Kindly focus on the areas which I have already mentioned कि आपको कैसे लिखना है, and this is what we would be doing it, right?
Thank